are live, February 26, 2026. 6 is right here. Okay, let's just see what the QQQ has in store for us. Up or down. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Let's go to R since we have weekly momentum. And let's get in here. Already a massive win, but let's hold it all the way. Let's see, EOSE. Let's see, next one. That was a pretty emotional moment for me, but let's see. Okay, SNDK under VWAP. It's not looking good. That's a little bit of a contradictory sign. Yeah, I think this looks short following our VWAP. So let's go that amount short. Oh, damn it. No! Damn it. the market leaders are tanking. I just don't like the longs right now, especially EOSE as a bad beat. Let's check what's the gainers at the moment. Oh, okay, IONQ, Marriott, Vacations, Shake Shack. How is Shake Shack doing? SHAK. Oh, nice earnings. But ultimately very sideways. Maybe it's chopping in the range. Yeah. It's just been going straight down since, literally since. And recently, okay. Recently over the last two earnings. Okay. I like it. I like it. Still though, I don't like these bars at the moment. Wow. Go. I really like the longs here. It's a really bad beat for EOSE, but something tells me, just watching the price action, this looks like it wants to go. Let's check. Okay, that's a no right there. Let's see. 9 EMA. Wait for more signs, more signs. I'll have to be the first one in here. Yeah, right now still not a buy yet. I do want to put this trade on, but the Qs are weak, and then the level 2s are not making sense. Just too much selling at the moment. I've seen this play out before. Seen this play out before. Just keep waiting. Yeah, the level 2s are not making any sense. Seven, yep. It's gonna go to 7. Stuck in the range a little bit. Yeah, I gotta have a stop loss right here. Gotta have a stop loss.
15-minute range is in, everybody. 15-minute range is in. 15-minute range is in. I've decided we're making a change in how we address the haters. From now on, every time we see a hater come in, I'm going to say, Benjamin says he never trades. Benjamin, I'm praying for you. May God bless you, and I hope you make more money than you ever imagined in your trading. We're just going to start praying for the haters. We're going to kill them with kindness from now on. I appreciate your support of the stream. May God bless you. Thank you for being here. Jesus loves you. Oh, man. All right. Z, may God bless you. Thank you for being here. You know, I don't know why anyone didn't enjoy a live stream would show up, but I'm happy they're here. Hopefully I can change their life with DOD.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to hit my stop loss, but that's okay.
For DOD to help change their life like it changed mine, like it's changed thousands of your guys's. Now, you don't have to hate to get a prayer. I pray for all you guys. I pray everyone follows their rules today. I'm in no trades. There's no trades for me yet. Yeah, how
and
people can wake up and be grumpy gills in the morning, I'm not sure. I wake up, I'm like, I love that I get to come on here and trade and stream with y'all. This is awesome. This is a blessing. Get to preach discipline, get to preach system, get to preach consistency, all these things that I love. So right now, we are between pre-market, or 15-minute low, 15-minute high, and we're below pre-market lows. So my bias right now remains to the downside until we break above this pre-market low and 15-minute low. So I need some volume confirmation if I'm going to take anything. But right now, I'm just waiting. Waiting, staying patient, trading smart, and trading safe. You know what I would love to see? I'd love to see us break below this 15-minute low with rising volume, retest back up, and then short with stops above like 265. 230 to 260, yeah, 30 some points of risk. My sister is hilarious. She texted me and she sends me a picture and says, "It's almost jorts season." She knows I love wearing the jorts. She said, "It's almost jorts season." Yeah, I miss my jorts. Y'all know I love the jean shorts. I rock them. I don't care what nobody says. I'll be rocking the jorts all summer. And I'm gonna be 30. I might upfront and get some New Balances too. I got the jorts on. I'm gonna get myself a pair of New Balances, a nice forward hat. I'm going. Y'all are gonna call me old. I'll start acting like it. Fine. We're gonna fight fire with fire. You call me old, I'll fire back. I'll wear my jorts. I'll get my New Balances. I'll pull them up, tuck the shirt in. Call myself a grill master.
Still a lot of buying for a SanDisk. Very uncomfortable.
We go really crazy. Might get a fanny pack. All right, Alright, so we got a strong close down here. We're right above the 15-minute low. So I personally cannot participate in that. I'm not going to participate in that trade. In a downside trade right now. We could, like, technically speaking, the 2-bar is valid right here based on just candlesticks. I just don't like that we're right above the 15-minute low. So I'm personally going to hold off on that. There's just a bit too much risk for me. Technically speaking, 2-bar is valid on this pop-up with stops above 266, 265, but I'm personally just holding off. If we would have had a close a little below, would have closed down more towards 220, I would have taken that pop back up, retest, and then move down. So like okay entry technically speaking, but because we closed this candle and wicked this 15-minute low, that's why I didn't participate in that trade. Right there. That's what you see. I use NQ. MNQ and NQ have a little bit different volume. But I use NQ. NQ's the Nas daddy. Yeah, NQ's big daddy. MNQ's little daddy. So right now, the reason why I'm watching for the short stills, we're below pre-market low, we're below 15-minute low, and we're moving downwards so far. This actually would have been a decent entry, but we closed that candle right above the 15-minute low here. If you guys are on screen share, that's why I didn't take this. No regret there. We could have hypothetically tried it, and it would be paying right now. Just a bit too much risk for me. We'll see if this next candle confirms. But for the future in a trend, that's what I'm looking for with the 2-bar. I'm looking for an aggressive full body candle down, rising volume, and a retracement of that candle to catch a trend entry. Now, what I'm hoping for here, guys, is I'd like to see us move all the way down, have rising volume on this next candle, retrace up to this 50-minute retracement, and up to this 50-minute low, and then put stops above that, above the trend-setting candle.
Okay, I hear you.
That's what I would like to see as of now. That's my game plan. So we'll see if they give it to us. We're in no rush. We're choosing DOD. I tell you guys this every morning. We are day traders, not trade everyday traders. And this is Pokemon. You do not have to catch them all. This is not Pokemon. You don't got to catch them all. As long as you understand those things, we're good to go. Yeah, we'll see how this volume goes. We got 40 more seconds. So, here's the deal, is there is times where we're below all key levels, and I'll think about trying an entry if price looks good, but without volume, this trade is automatically lower probability. Automatically. I'm a probability-based trader. I want to take trades where I have the most edge, where I have the highest probability to win. Every trade has risk, so if I can minimize that risk, that's what I'm ultimately trying to do every morning. And we get a doji right at that level. I can't short that, guys. It's tempting because we're below this 15-minute low, but I can't shorter reversal candle here. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? We move down, we have a reversal doji here that has equal wick on the upside and downside. Yes, we could reject in here and keep moving, but your probability, your sellers aren't as strong as you'd like to see them. Bacon in TikTok chat asked, does he win all the time? I'll let the chat answer that if I win a lot. Do I win a majority of the time, chat? You tell me. I won't answer the question. I'll let chat decide my fate. How do I do for y'all? Yes, majority yes. Yes. At least 70%, if not more of the time. That's valid. 70 to 80%, I'd say. That's a good number. Yeah, we might reject here. We may reject here. I have no interest in taking this at the moment. We could see the trend is down. We might see us continuation down, but this isn't the type of candle structure that I want to see. So I'm gonna wait till I get an A+ setup. I also don't have as long to trade today. Maybe they'll give us a trend-setting candle here. Jaden wins at live trading real estate, Bitcoin family community, great role model. Thank you, Marco. Love, bro. Still moving down, but no entries for me yet. No entries for me yet. You'll find that I'm a very patient, defensive trader. If you enjoy being constant dopamine and taking a bunch of trades, I'm not the trader for you. I'm not that guy. If you prefer to get more payouts and choose DOD and to have less stressful trading and to build patience and discipline, then I am that guy. You'll like this stream. My goal is you join this every day and you commit to yourself. You're going to be 1% better. You're going to be a little more disciplined. You're going to be a little more patient. You're going to be a little more focused. And you're going to follow a plan. You're going to change the tide of your trading. Do jorts help with DOD? J-Don, I'm willing to try that, I'm sure. If that makes you feel better and be more disciplined, I'm down. Alright, we might get a trend-setting candle here. Let's see. TikTok, as a reminder, I'm live on YouTube as well, J-Don Trades, if you want to see my full screen share. We're almost at 2,000 people. Thank you guys all for being here. Hopefully I'm helping you guys with your discipline and your trading. J-Don Trades on YouTube. I appreciate you guys hitting that subscribe button and turning those notifications on. We have live trading every day on this channel in Asia session too, and I'll occasionally get on for Power Hour. I know, I was watching for that previous pullback up, but that 5-minute candle just didn't give me the entry.
Oh man, it already wicked down. Damn it.
Alright, that was a good candle. I'm gonna watch for this pullback up.
Alright, let's watch.
Yeah, yep. I think I gotta try it. straight 210. Just touched immediately and went. I didn't take a trade. I did not call a trade, no. I was saying I'll try it if we get up there, but that didn't give. It literally just wicked up immediately to that 50% retracement and then moved. And that's frustrating for sure. I was going to go short, yes. I also...
Damn.
Man, that's frustrating. We got really close to our entry. Literally got up to 210. And there's some situations where I would have tried that, but it just happened so fast. Just wicked up, wicked down. 211. But it touched really quick on the... But it was really... It was really fast. Like it was really... On the 1 minute chart, you can look at it. It just touched and dipped. That sucks. This is a good setup though. If we would have gone a little higher here into the zone, I would have 100% taken that.
Me too.
Like 1,000,000%. Maybe not 1,000,000%, but a lot of percent. So now we wait. I got about 30 more minutes, 45 more minutes of trading. I usually will stay on for like 2-3 hours, but today I have some other important business I gotta attend.
So close.
Touch previous day low, and then we're aggressively moving up. This might be a little tricky today. I got lucky and I got in and took it. Honestly, been seeing your live for a few and it's been going well. It's awesome. I'm glad that this live stream's been helping you. DOD, baby. If you're new here on TikTok, I would like to say welcome in. I see lots of new faces. I appreciate you hitting that follow button. I'd love to earn your trust and help you with DOD. Follow your own discipline and turn trading into a part-time or full-time income. So appreciate y'all trusting me with that follow. JC3, Liz, thank you for the follows. Appreciate all you guys so much for the follows and trusting me. It's never taken for granted. And all of you on YouTube, thank you for joining and being a part of our growing live stream. Glad I can be of value to you every day. All right, now, if we move up and we have an aggressive wick up, this is a very tough candle to short because a majority at this moment of our candles wick to the upside with higher volume. So that signifies reversal. High to low of day, retracement's like 260. Character. Better be a pretty one at least. I started watching you in December, and since then I've gotten a pro account with FFF, got 10K payouts. I'm on my way to another 100. DOD works. Interesting candle. fishing winners again today. No trades for me yet, but I got a good feeling we will. I'm sure hoping so. I hope so. Oh, just stay patient, guys. We're 30 minutes in. This is your reminder to choose DOD. Trade smart, trade safe. We do have pay down in the house. The coffee's been secured, so don't worry about that part. Just wait for an A+ setup. Waiting for an A+ setup, everybody. It is a winning day every day if you follow your system. That's correct. That is correct, my friend. That is factual information if I've ever seen it. Oh, I have my banana today. Banana boy was here. Of course I had my banana. Guys, remember, I'm a retracement trader. So we need solid retracement with solid risk management. Or were you gonna take a trade, Grizzly? Sorry. All right. I haven't taken pre-workout in like 6 months. I just, honestly, bro, I just be having some salt. I do like 10 minutes of cardio before I work out, and I just get my heart rate up. Yeah. Have you ever tried sniffing pre-workout? No, I'm good on snorting pre-workout. That's not DOD. Take pre-workout, then trade. Yeah, we'll just take pre-workout and trade. Rip a double dose. I haven't drank in almost 22 months. 22 months on March 5th. May 5th will be 2 years of no alcohol.
What?
Very thankful I made that decision. Yeah, no pullbacks yet, guys. I can't. No trades for me. No clear confirmation, no trades.
That's sad.
I saw you drink a beer. You definitely did not see me drink a beer. I've had less than 10 beers in my entire life. I hate beer. If I did drink, that's the last thing I'd be drinking. Gross. I've literally tried less than. I think I've tried 8 beers in my entire life. Three of them were when I toured the Coors Light factory in Colorado in college. I did a research paper on Adolf Coors, the founder of Coors, and did a whole tour of their facility. I tried 10 beers last night.
take those.
King of beer right now helps me calm my mind and get into peak state. That is not DOD. That is not DOD. Wow, look at this move. Give me one trend-setting candle. Just one is all I'm asking for with a good retracement. Hope we get a 2-bar here. That'd be great. I'd love to target 25,000. That would be wonderful. Alright, I gotta leave in like 20 minutes-ish. So NASDAQ, I need you. NASDAQita, my love, mi amor. I need you to give me a nice... Yep, that's literally, that's the 2-bar setup too. We take shorts at 140 and then have stops at 175. Here's the deal, Nastaquita, mi amor, my beautiful princess. I need you to close this 2-bar strong, retrace back up, and then give us a nice 2-bar. And if that happens, well, wouldn't you like to know? Drop it low. Drop it low. NASDAQ, drop it low. Yep, I'll watch for a pullback to like 140 area too. Stops with like 175. This is what I'd like to see. I'd like to see a pullback up, short entry in here, stops above here, push down. Alright, before that happens, I really gotta piss again. I'll be right back. I'll spread back. Take the shorts and get up there.
610, interesting. Huh. Not gonna happen. Not gonna happen.
Wow. Okay, but you're not supposed to keep pushing down. You're not supposed to keep pushing down, Nastaquita. That's not what we talked about. Come on, baby. That's not what we talked about, honey. Wow, guys, it just took out my price target too. Again, here's the deal, folks, is I'm a retracement trader, so if we just see straight down like this with no significant retracement, I don't take that. That's not something I trade. I will wait and stay patient for that A+ setup to come. Is Nvidia moving down?
Yep, of course.
Tesla's moving down too. Oh yeah, Nvidia's dropping. Nvidia's dropping. above 175. I am still open to that setup if we get the pullback up. Dr. Slaughter said, F, I should have listened to my gut at market open. Would have been a huge win today. Well, if that followed your system, then I agree with that. But if it doesn't follow your system and you just want to take something because of a gut feeling, that's not a profitable strategy over time. That's how I look at it. This move up here, this is a setup that I would have taken. I would have taken this retracement 10 out of 10 times. This short entry here, if we would have had a strong close below. It's just selling off with no retracement. That's what it's doing. Like butter. Nope. That's where my biggest losses have came from, is trying to catch bottoms. Falling knives. And they had good earnings. Alright, we're gonna get another 2-bar. Let's see that 20. That's such a high. Yeah, that's aggressive. I guess, technically speaking, because look for like 25,020 was also 25,070, 50 points. I didn't take the 15-minute opening range breakout because we didn't have confirming volume. Yep. Around 25,010, 25,020. I'm still watching for shorts in this pop up. I'm gonna see if we can get a short at turning 25,030. It doesn't look like it's gonna give it to us today. We're not really getting any retracements. So if we don't get that retracement, I don't trade. Plain and simple. Don't forget TikTok. If you want to see my full screen share, you can come on over to YouTube. J Dunn Trades. J Dunn Trades on YouTube. I'd love to see you tap in and join us here. Been hovering around 2,000 people at a time watching. Thank you guys all that are here. I'd love to see your retracement up to take a trade, but if not, I won't trade. I don't have as long today. I'm usually on for 2+ hours with y'all, but I have to go a little early today. I have some important things to take care of. Yep. I'm even willing to put on some more risk and just no even decent pullbacks. I guess there was that one that was really fast earlier, up to 210. Like, this is the only entry that I can say I quote unquote missed, was this 210 area right here. But it was so fast. It went up and went down. It literally happened in a millisecond. What's the best accounts on Alpha Futures? I recommend the 0 account. discounts. I recommend that their one-day pass. That's what Gene's been getting his payouts on too. If you guys want to get funded with alpha features, you can use code JDUN for 20% off. They're 20% off still. Great firm, lots of good feedback. Come on. The only entry that I quote-unquote missed was this 211. But it was so fast. It was literally so fast moving back up. Other than that, it straight moves down with no real retracements. No real retracements, I don't trade.
There's a lot of buying here, but a lot of
Simple
selling.
as that. I'd rather watch a whole move push down than chase an entry. But that's what keeps my win rate and my R multiple where it is. So. You know, literally as soon as I saw it test that 211, it was just done. Oh shit, Grizzly's electric just went off. Damn. Grizzly's power went out. Rip. Alright, give us the GLI, Grizzly leaving indicator. Give us a nice move now. Sorry, Grizzly. Take one for the team. We need a banger now. We need a banger now. Come on. Wouldn't that be the worst if you're in a trade and your electric goes off? Or if that 2-bar would have played out? I've actually had that happen where I moved into a new house and I didn't have my auto pay on, so they shut my shit off. I was like, oh no! And I had to scramble and get it turned back on.
Yes, good.
Alright, let's see if we get this pull back up. I'm willing to watch for the short entry up here on 25,000.
And that's how it's done, guys. Pulling out from the hole, mean reversion. Man, my risk appetite is huge.
With higher point risk. With risk above like 67.
My risk appetite was huge, guys. Huge, huge, huge.
Yeah. Only setup I see right now.
No, I cannot risk it. These wicks up, wicks down. Too much pain for it to happen. Yeah, that's alright. It's alright. Got back green for the day.
I have to leave here in like 5-10 minutes. So I'd like to move up to this zone here if you're on screen share. Try shorts here, stops above here. There's also another world where we retest that one like 30 area to 140 with stops above 175. I'm not sure we're gonna get that pullback though, guys. not looking like it wants to give us it.
Oh man, that's what I did not want to see. Yeah.
Not sure we're gonna get
This type of environment, you gotta take your profits when they gave it to you. So that's what I did exactly.
Wow. This is one of those days. There's just no deep retracements, huh? One of those days, huh? Buyers are stepping in. Are these buyers in the room with us right now?
Where are the buyers? Oh man.
Buyers.
Oh man.
That's just, yeah, see guys, when we don't get deep retracements or any sort of retracement where I can even put on, say, 50 points of risk, I just won't trade.
That's a good move. Oh man, that's a nasty wick. Oh my gosh, those are some. Whew.
Maybe it's a sign that I can't trade my full amount of time today, so.
Yeah, I knew this was a good idea. I wanted to short this full size, all my size, but
I'm gonna have to get off.
E-Trade did not let me do that, so we are not taking any positions.
VPA, volume price analysis.
Guys, we're done for today as well. We climbed back from big red to small green. I think that's it for today. I'm just going to continue listening to Jay Dunn to see if he has any more trades, but there are no retracements. I think this bar right here.
But it was so fast.
Yeah, he's talking about this one.
Didn't give us,
I was also watching it too. I was pulling up my
So I
my
went.
contract window,
There is a world where I take the shorts
and
here at around
it didn't happen. So then the next kind of
25,000
2 bar
to
was
29,000.
this one right here. Didn't happen, and then this one was the 2 bar he's now looking at, but also is not happening. And now we're consolidating under that 606 level, I think, on the NQ futures. It's 25,000. Yes, thank you for reiterating that. Yeah, this is that really sucks.
I have no interest in longs.
Oh man, I mean reversion that
I
at the
have
bottom.
absolutely no interest in longs, Larry,
At the bottom.
until we show confirmation. We also have our 50% retracement of the day down at 1.
Guys, done for today. Thank you for tuning in. Stay smart, trade safe. Shout out to Jay Dunn. Catch you guys tomorrow.